Hey man, what's up? Oh, me? I'm just doing this lame report for this boring old class I'm in. Man, this professor, whoa, what's this bump on my head? Doctor, what's this bump? Am I gonna be okay?
Unfortunately, you have a tumor, but it is benign. Can I ask you some questions?
Of course.
Do you talk on your cell phone very often?
Oh yeah, all the time. You know us millennials.
Well, those circuits and wires could be putting you at risk. Maybe you should consider switching to an older, maybe simpler phone, like a flip phone.
Fact check. I think an experiment's in order. To the lab!
This experiment was conducted using an F.W. Bell Model 5080 Tesla meter. It was set up and calibrated with normal atmospheric conditions prior to testing. A sheet of graph paper with 1 square centimeter grid lines was placed over the face of each phone and the outline cut out. The tip of the probe was then placed at each square centimeter mark until the surface of the phone was covered for a total of 105 measurements for the smartphone and 45 measurements for the dumb phone. The data was recorded as XY coordinates corresponding to the location on the phone in centimeters and EMF values in millitesla recorded as Z values.
Doc, the data isn't. After performing a student's t-test on the collected data, we discovered that while the mean value of both phones did not have enough data to suggest a statistically significant difference, the peak values did. With 95% confidence, we can say that there's enough data to suggest a statistically significant difference, and the phone with the higher peak EMF is the flip phone.
Interesting. Why?
Well, even though there's more to the smartphone, it has a lower peak EMF because technology has been improving. The housing to new phones is more protective and often metallic, with the companies recognizing fears about electromagnetic radiation and likely improving their phones to assuage these fears. So while studies about the harmful effects of EMF remain inconclusive, if you want to play it safe, it's probably best to use newer phones rather than reverting to a flip phone.